The skills we inherit, and I'm one of those people coming from an automotive strong family, those childhood and preteen lessons that some of us got from our family members are the foundation for becoming a really good technician. And if we just basically took the skills we learned from them, we still got a lot of technology that they don't know about that we have to still be able to apply. People that come in here without it, we can build that too. It all depends on how hard they want to work. But that history and that kind of culture, especially in our state, right? The manufacturing state. We just kind of carry that culture forward. Most of our students that come through here are hands-on learners. They're here for a reason, right? They like working on things. Many of them like solving puzzles, mysteries, that kind of thing.
Coming to a school setting for automotive instead of just learning it naturally, you learn it the right way. You get the actual procedures. You don't learn the whatever your uncle used to do to get something done right. A lot of our professors are coming from the actual factory, so they're right there hands-on with what we're going to be working on. So getting that experience from them is way better, in my opinion, than home.
The small class sizes are amazing. I like that because it's not like your teacher sitting there lecturing to like 50 kids. He's normally right there, sitting down, like doing work of his own, and then waiting for you to come up, ask questions. Every single one of my instructors have been like that.
Our approach is a roughly 20 to 30% lecture with about 70% hands-on. So instead of being over in a classroom for 2 hours or so and then coming out here for an hour or so, we gather around a vehicle. I have tools, we have equipment out, and they get a more one-on-one approach with our course sizes because we cap our courses at 12 students.
I think it's exceeded my expectations, honestly. I didn't expect to be working this hands-on this early. Like within my first semester, I was working on cars already, and I was extremely shocked that they were trusting me. And it was like, there's a Corvette back over there, and it was like, whoa, I understand it's in the advanced classes, but it's like looking forward to working on those.
One of the things that I teach in the service management class is empathy will get you way further than digging your heels into the ground. I have to get them to understand, and this goes with every customer service job, is that people are coming to see you because they don't want to. Nobody says, oh my gosh, I can't wait to spend $5,000 on my car. So I think the big things about this are going to be learning to work with people, having basic skills, and then also mechanical aptitude. Some people come about it naturally. Some people will kind of stumble through, but get it. That's fine. But then there's some people that they even recognize it right away. They're like, this is more than I thought. I'm overwhelmed. Okay, pump the brakes. Let's go figure something else out.